Yeah, I mean, look, as I spent the last 15 years at the intersection of fintech and machine learning AI, especially as a fintech operator, most of the time you are busy with the plumbing part, meaning AML, KYC, adoption, and so on. And you think users are there, they know what they're doing, right? If someone is registering into a trading platform or a crypto exchange or whatever, they know, right? Well, the reality is far from that. So, which means having users and having revenue become like two separate things. And that's where we came in with the idea of NCView with my two co-founders. We basically developed a tech stack that sits between the user and the product. And the vision is that, it doesn't make sense that today the user still needs to adapt to products. So if you connect to, say, crypto exchange A and crypto exchange B, there are still like different UIs, different buttons, and so on. A new user need to figure out that. It does not make sense. What I think the future is going to, and this is where we're building at CVO, is they will be having basic products, and then comes in CVO on top as a layer that adapts each product to each individual user separately. And that all agentically. So basically, take an example of a crypto exchange, you plug in CView, and all of a sudden, you and me are having a complete different experience, even though it's the same product. It's just that in CView agentically, it's reading our context graph and decision traces, basically user behavior and how we are interacting with the product to adapt it to each one of us. Like if I am a quantitative and you are more visual, I'll see more numbers, you'll see more graphs, as an example, you see.